Today we are in our Piano Adventures Lesson Book A, and we are playing Riding the Escalator. This is getting so exciting in your piano books because now you are learning to play the white keys. And so you're going to have so many more songs that you're going to get to play instead of just using the black keys all the time. So today we are working on F, G, A, and B. And those are the white keys that are around the three black keys. And today we're just going to be using our fingers 2 and 3. And the left hand is going to play F and G, and the right hand is going to play A and B. Now, we're not going to need to do our rhythm today because it's all melons. So just say melon in your head all the time, melon, 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 and you will have your perfect rhythm. Let's do our solfege for riding the escalator. And I'm going to play with my left hand and solfege with my right hand. Now we're just going to do this a couple of times because it's just 4 notes, and we'll just do the solfege for those 4 notes. Okay, so today is fa, sol, la, and ti. Okay, here we go with fa. Fa, sol, la, ti. Fa, sol, la, ti. One more time. Fa, sol, la, ti. Okay, now let's do our letter names. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. F, G, A, B, F, G, A, B, F, G, A, B, F, G, A, B. Now let's do our colors. 1, 2, ready, go. Green, teal, purple, pink. Green, teal, purple, pink. Green, teal, purple, pink. Green, teal, purple, pink. Now, did you see how I crossed over? Just like we did in the previous song. You're going to be crossing your left hand over your right hand as you ride the escalator.